Welcome to the high school.
Welcome to 9th grade, and to Mr. Orgek and Mr. Payne's math class, and to endless opportunities.
All right, who am I? Well, I'm Mr. Orgeks, and you're going to have me for mathematics this year with Algebra Common Core, or our Math 910, which is finishing Algebra Common Core. Just to know a little bit about me, I've got a large family. In the picture up here in the corner here, you got my wife, Mrs. O, and then I've got my oldest son right here, Will. He's 21, turning here in the fall. My daughter, Caitlin, turning 19 here in the fall. My son, Matt, just turned 17. He's a senior in high school. My youngest son here, Alex, is turning 15. He's a sophomore. And the baby of the family, Megan, just turned 9, and she's in 4th grade. You're going to learn a bunch of things about me, but bottom line is I like to have fun. I like to have a lot of school spirit. You will see me on the pep rally running around out there having fun with Mr. Cruiser, maybe Mr. Markison. Do a lot here in the school along with Mr. Payne. My family here, just so you know, we like to do a lot of things, including we had a wonderful vacation this last summer up in 2 hours north of Toronto. All right, so as I said, I like to do a lot of things. I'm in the Scouts and do a lot of things with camping and things. When I was in 8th grade, Nat, I always went on the Washington, D.C. trip with you guys. Obviously, I wasn't there for your year. But that's a picture of me last summer going to Washington, D.C. Love go-karting and all kinds of fun things like that the family likes doing. And once I went on a cruise, and this is me cruising around the Mexican jungles on an ATV. So like to do a lot of outdoor things, have a lot of fun, and I'm looking to have a lot of fun with you guys this year.
I'd like to take a moment and talk to you about who I am. I am Mr. Payne, and this is my family. Up here in the right-hand corner is my beautiful daughter, Lily, who is now 1 year old, my wife, Pamela, and our dog, Honey. Honey is a golden doodle. I would also like to take a moment to talk to you about some things that my family and I love to do. We are very outdoorsy people. We love going to the park and pushing Lily in the swing. We love going to Holiday Valley and skiing during the winter. This year we went to Animal Adventure Park, and Lily absolutely loved all the wild animals. In my free time, I love to fish. And I love going to Florida during our spring break and our February break to visit my grandparents that live down in Florida.
All right, this year will be a little different than you're used to. We got a picture here that says, why is this classroom upside down? Well, what you used to do at home, we're now going to do in school, and what you did at school, you're going to now do at home. It's called the flipped classroom.
Let's go into a little bit more explanation. What is flipped learning? The flipped classroom starts over here on the left-hand side. It says, students prepare to participate in class and activities. What's he doing? He's watching a video on his computer or iPad or iPhone, whatever device that you may have, and taking notes. After the notes, you're going to be required to write a WSQ. What is a WSQ? It's when or where. Your S stands for the summary, and then you're going to write down any questions you may have from that video. When you come to class, you're going to have more type of activity-based problems that you need to be doing. You're going to have the opportunity to complete problems in class with Mr. Orgek and myself, able to help you. What are you going to do afterwards? Well, that night we may have another video for you to watch at home, or we may have a check for understanding for you to do either on Castle Learning or on Edmodo. So you're kind of changing your process around where you're doing your independent practice stuff in class, and you're going to be watching your videos basically at home.
Let us prove to you that this teaching model works. Please watch the video, and using paper we provided to you, create an origami frog along with the video.
So what do you think? Does this teaching model work? Come to class tomorrow with these 3 things: your origami frog, your thoughts on flipped learning in our classroom, and any issues you can think of that may keep you from watching lessons outside of class time.